guys, Zaf here. We're gonna go up to the main hall for a quick rehearsal before we start off the day. And yeah, let's go. We're at the Marina Bay Convention Center now. Let's go take a look at the event hall that we're using for Outlook 2025. As you can see, it's a pretty big hall. There are over 2,000 people that will be here today. And it's a nice big stage, and if they can't see the screen, we have projectors for the people at the back. But come on, let me show you the front. Okay guys, you can see those white seats over there. Those are for the diamond ticket holders, and the ones at the back here, they're for the gold. But yeah, these are the best seats in the house. Alright, so I'm gonna be on the stage for a while, and yeah, I'm not nervous at all. Hey guys, let me show you where our gold and diamond lounge is. Let's go. Alright, right now we are pre-event, so the event hasn't started yet. But the gold and diamond ticket holders, they're welcome to lounge out right here, get some snacks and help themselves and relax before the door opens. Hi Nas.
Hey, hello.
Hi, this is Nas. He's our...
Yeah, so basically I'll be assuming the role of a VIP director.
Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Good morning! Have you been good this year? Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it now.
People are starting to fill up the seats, and good turn up. Everyone came early. I think almost a third of the room is filled, but the diamond and gold classes are they're still in the lounges. So we have about 15 minutes left until we begin. As a renowned financial educator, Adam won the Most Preferred Investment Speaker Award in 2016 and 2017. Voted by thousands of retail investors at the Share Investor Awards. Come in, the legend, Adam Khoo.
Hello everyone, good morning! Great to see so many of you here today. And I would like to also thank you for taking your time to be here today, to commit your precious Saturday to learn, to invest in yourself. So can you give yourself a big round of applause for being here today? Come on.
So Adam's wrapping up. He's gonna be done soon, and then after this, it's gonna be bounce session. But before that, we're gonna have a lucky draw. One four six three 0919 2100. Who's that? Oh.
Well, first of all, we review last year, 2024, what worked, what was missed, and the learnings. And also importantly, we share the result that we deliver. And also we talk a little bit on the outlook, what I view the market going forward for the next year or so. And importantly, what is the game plan that I would use to fit that thesis. It's an amazing experience. I think it's the largest group of audience that I have ever talked with. So by far this is the best, and it's so good to meet up with friends and students in person and then shake hands with people. A lot of them express their appreciation for our support and our community, which is a thrilling experience to me.
Today, I just share with my audience about the opportunities in Web3, in AI, and even in cryptocurrencies. How do they look out for a multi-bagger opportunities in all these different sectors of the market, right? And also share with them how I look out for market manipulation signals that gives me an edge in trading as well. I think the energy of the crowd is really strong, right? When I just get up the stage, right, I can feel that the crowd is all very excited to learn what I'm going to share today. Right, and as I walk around, I see a lot of students, right, in my community chat group, right, they actually come up and let me know who they are, because right now we are doing a lot of the online coaching, and some of them actually told me their name in the Discord channel, and I can put a face, right, to the name. I'm very glad to actually see a lot of my students here.
So this year I heard that there was a new tier of tickets called the Diamond Ticket. So how was the overall experience and what you guys talked about there?
Yes, it's great to see many members in the room there, and the first time we can match the names with the face, and it's great that many of them are very experienced traders, some of them are new, but they all show the appreciation of the support or the thing that we created in the community.
I think a lot of them ask me very direct questions like how I manage my crypto portfolio, my trading portfolio in stocks as well. And also some very personal questions like how do I look out for good properties? Because some of them know that I also invest in properties as well.
For those of them who actually missed Outlook 2025, do you have anything to say to them?
Remember to come for 2026 because we only do this once a year and it's our biggest event, right? So I look forward to see you guys. If you are not here this year, I'll see you guys in 2026.
Oh, you missed a big one, right? This is maybe the biggest event that we have during the year.
So would Outlook 2026 be even bigger than this year?
Well, this year's quite big. I don't know, next year will be even bigger, but the way people express their feeling and their appreciation just shows that they have a lot of interest in this event, and I'm looking forward to even bigger event next year.
Alright guys, if you guys think the Outlook event is over, think again. We're doing a back-to-back Outlook event, one in Singapore and one in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So we're gonna go show you some behind-the-scenes footage, so come along and let's enjoy the ride. Let's go! So guys, we are now in Kuala Lumpur. I'm with Bang over here. And yeah, we just landed, we just arrived. It was a long walk. Now we're finally waiting for our driver. So we just arrived at the hotel. We're gonna check in. Then we're gonna rest up, have our dinner before tomorrow. Because tomorrow we're gonna start at 6:30, where the whole team is gonna gather and get ready before the doors open at 8 to 8:30 a.m. Yeah, so we're looking forward to tomorrow. It's gonna be a great day, and we'll see you. Selamat pagi semua. Morning everyone. Right now we're at the event hall at IY Grand in Kuala Lumpur, and as you can see we're still setting up. It's 7:20 a.m. right now. We're getting ready for all the registrations. So we're waiting for our mentors to arrive. We're gonna do a bit of a dry run later on. As you can see around the hall, it's a really nice hall. Everyone at any side of the hall will be able to see. It's gonna be great for the attendees today. first batch of people came in. They were all so early. We're gonna start in about 40 minutes. They're all very early, so I think the registration process is gonna be smooth.
Today, he's going to share with you the powerful insights from 2024 Bull Run, the critical lessons it taught us, and most importantly, how to position your portfolio to stay ahead of the market. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the man, the myth, the legend, Adam Khoo.
Hello everyone, good morning. Wow. So some of you now know that I'm a real person. And how many of you want to get the most benefit, get the most knowledge from today's session? Say I. Okay.
We just finished Adam's session. About to start bunks at 11:40.
Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning Malaysia.
Okay, we just finished bunk session. It is 1:30 p.m. right now. And now everyone's gonna go for their lunch break. They're taking the things, and Bunk's taking some photo ops of people now. Coming up next, we have Elson's session. He's gonna talk about market manipulation and price action trading.
Not anybody. All right, good afternoon.
We just finished Elson's session. It's almost 4:30 p.m. and at 4:30 we're gonna start the last session with Adam Khoo. He's gonna share his investing game plan and which market sectors and the stocks that our audience can keep an eye on, put in their watch list. And when Adam comes up, we're gonna invite all the trainers so that we can take a big group photo with everyone in the hall.
So we're going to take a group picture to remember this special event, yeah?
Thank you so much for joining us at Outlook 2025. It was a pleasure meeting all of you in person. I hope you enjoyed yourself and learned a lot from myself, Bang and Alson. And we'll be sharing with you and helping you along the way throughout the year. And be sure to join us back in Outlook 2026. So take care, guys, and may the markets be with you.